How to open gallery in Samsung Smart TV. First of all, get your Samsung TV remote control, press the home button like I did there. Then you want to scroll along on the left hand side until you get to apps. Click open on the app section, then go to the top right hand corner where you see settings. Go ahead and click on the settings menu. In here, you want to scroll along until you get to gallery. That's going to be looking a bit like this gallery logo. Then you want to click on add to home. Once you've clicked on add to home, then you'll be able to access this more easily, or you can just go and after putting it on the home section, just be able to click on it, click OK, the center button, then it will load gallery, and then there you'll be prompted to put in your PIN code to be able to access it and continue. Then you'll be able to use that gallery as you wish. After putting your USB stick in and having all your photos and videos there, then you'll be able to see all them. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.